You know what that means. Let's count down Finals 1 together. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Grand Finals underway here at the Michiana Premier event in South Bend, Indiana. All these teams want to cement a legacy for their hometowns. Elice Robotics trying to become the first back-to-back Michiana Premier event champions right here in their home state of Indiana. Meta Infinity in their second year competing in Illinois, trying to cement the rise of a new powerhouse. That Blue Alliance trying to bring it home for Fremont, California, as they both hail from that city. 5 seconds left, 84-60. Croft does take a lead, but the Blue Alliance coming back for some final shots as auto ends.
Drivers,
Pick up your controllers. Three, two, one, go. Now 2 minutes of teleoperated play here on the Grand Finals of the Michiana Premier event. 22-297, that's Infinibots loading up with artifacts from their ramp. They fire up 3, some coming back down, they load up again. Ice Robotics comes in for the steals, opted to go back to their loading zone though. 21-227 on that Blue Alliance. That's a legend, staying in the far field, taking off some artifacts that Meta Infinity is dropping out from the ramp. Meta Infinity, though, churning through these artifacts 3 at a time, coming right off of their gate, loading up and firing them back up, doing what they can to keep as many artifacts as possible on that ramp without worrying about overflow. By keeping them up there, they're able to starve out the Blue Alliance of supplies, allowing Red to gain a lead, which they now have by about 100 points with 68 seconds left to go. Red Alliance Ice Robotics loading up with the steals coming off of that Blue Alliance gate. Now they're back again, continuing to cycle, lining up ready to go, stealing away the artifacts that 22-297 from Blue Infinibots is pulling away. 50 seconds to go, 321-201 is that Croft division lead. Ice Robotics coming back and firing into the goal. Meta Infinity still cycling as the same. Seems like relatively similar strategies across both sides of the field, at least in terms of traffic control. Though Croft really focusing on preventing artifacts from falling out to the floor and flowing out for use by this Blue Alliance far shooter, that being Legend out of California. 25 seconds left to go, 402-279 as we approach the end game whistle. 423-287 now. Artifacts still flying up on both sides of the field. Ice Robotics loads up, fires from that Red Alliance base zone, still shuttling artifacts as fast as they can. Scores ratcheting up high. Blue over 300, Red over 450 with 5 seconds left. Red Alliance comes in for the Parks. Looks like Blue focusing on final artifacts as time.
Red Alliance! It has gone 540 points. One more match. Red got 1 win, Blue got 0 wins. Let's see if